How to change default apps on iPhone. Changing the default apps on iPhone is fairly simple. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to open up settings. First, go to General and go to Software Update. Ensure that you're using the latest iOS update because this is only available for the latest iOS users. Just come back over there and simply scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see the option that says Apps and tap on it again. Once you find Apps, at the very top of the Apps section, you'll find a section called Default Apps. It says Manage Default Apps on iPhone, so tap on it. Now you can choose default apps for various purposes. For email, which one you want. For messaging, which one you want. For calling, for call filtering. So you can also now use apps like Truecaller and so on for call filtering. You can also choose your default browser, the apps to choose your password and codes, the contact list like the NFC app, and the keyboard app that you want to use. These are the ways on how you can change the default apps on iPhone on the latest update. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.